Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupal from Sugar Poetry Bakes. Come, let's make this cute anniversary couple cake together. So ये ऑर्डर मुझे एक एनिवर्सरी के केक के लिए आया था एंड द रेफरेंस इमेज वाज शेयर्ड बाय द कस्टमर. So उसमें मुझे ये 2D फिगरीन्स बनानी थी एंड बटन फेसेस, थोड़ा सा 3D लुक देने के लिए. So I started by making the base, which is the skin color के faces and the hands जहाँ जहाँ पे भी show होना था. उसके बाद I made the groom's clothes. उसमें एक blue color का कुर्ता था and white pajama with brown shoes. इस पर मैंने further details भी दी थी like the collar, the buttons on the kurta. Then I went on to place these on a rough dummy cake just to see कि measurements ठीक है कि नहीं है because we need to do that otherwise वो केक के बाहर चला जाएगा. Then I further placed them on a white base because I tend to prepare the fondant items well in time just so वो थोड़ा सा set हो जाए. Then after placing the faces and boy को place करने के बाद I made the girl's clothes which was a sari, a typical red Indian sari with golden accents. Then मैंने गर्ल के ज्वेलरी भी बनाई like the मांग टीका, the earrings, bangles and इन सब पे भी golden color दिया. Then I brushed some more golden on the sari and this is the final fondant couple. Now we are moving on to the crumb coating of the cake. Now ये एक small cake ही था. It was a half kg cake. I still pulled 3 layers from the sponge and ये chocolate truffle cake था. So I made a chocolate base and इसके ऊपर chocolate dark chocolate ganache and some choco chips place करके I did the crumb coating as you can see here. Now chocolate ganache is a stable medium compared to whipped cream. So इसकी जो look आती है वो भी थोड़ी सी sharp and shiny आती है. Then edges को smooth out करके I moved on to the final icing. I kept the final layer very simple. It was a white outer icing. Now इस केस में I had run out of the cream a little bit. तो इसको जब मैंने final layer दिया center में it didn't matter because वो anyway fondant से cover होना था. But on the sides I tried to cover it up with some golden spray and some pearls as you can see here. इसकी edge पे I also gave golden color and I think that accentuated the look much more. This is the final look of the cake. I hope you love it. The customer loved it, the taste and the look, and they were in awe of how beautiful it looked. I hope you like it too. Like, share and subscribe and follow for more.